Hello my beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I have bought an amazing recipe for your gut health. This is nothing but the traditional kanji recipe that I bought. This I've been using from many years. I make it at home. I make sure each and every family member in my house drinks it regularly, including my kids. Okay, so firstly I'm going to share all the ingredient list that we wanted for this kanji. So I have taken one medium sized carrot. I've peeled it, washed it and sliced it. Then I've taken one medium sized beetroot. This also I've peeled, washed and cut into slices. Just randomly, roughly I've cut it. I've taken three Indian gooseberries, that is Amla, and I've washed it thoroughly and cut them into slices. I've taken two green chillies, just made slits, and then I've taken fresh turmeric. I've washed it, peeled it and made small slices of it. Apart from the veggies, we need ground mustard seeds and crystal salt. You can use normal salt if you don't have crystal salt at home. So I have taken 4 to 5 glasses of water, boiled it nicely, and I've removed from the stove. Now I'm going to add all the veggies and the salt and the mustard powder that we have. Let's drop all the veggies. There goes the chilies, the carrots, beetroot, the turmeric. So everything I've dropped. Now let's add mustard powder. This should be enough. And then salt. This 1 spoon. Little bit extra. Mix everything well. Mix it well. Now I'm going to keep this mixture under fan and cool it down completely and then leave it overnight. The next morning I'm going to filter it and keep it under sun for 1 to 2 hours. And thereafter, whenever I feel like drinking, I'm going to fill it in a glass and drink. So same thing you can just follow.